The last thing I feel like doing is cooking anything for dinner today. I really don't like cooking, but every now and then I'll get in the mood to do something. Yesterday I purchased a bunch of oxtails with the full intention on putting them in the crock pot and having them for dinner today. Well, I was up last night and early this morning handling a major crisis in my family. Long story short, without going into any detail, everything is okay. But the last thing I feel like doing is cooking. But I want to take care of myself. And I know that future me, tonight me, will be thankful that I took the time to make myself a nice hot meal. So I'm gonna get up, take a little time, do what I gotta do, throw the oxtails in the crock pot, and then just relax the rest of the day until dinner. Let's go. Now I must warn you, these oxtails will be made in the most lazy way possible. You guys have no idea what I've been through. So please don't panic. They're still gonna taste good. They're still gonna be tender. The whole point is make sure Jules gets fed and is okay and taken care of at the end of the day. All right, let's do this. All right, in a crock pot, I'm gonna put 2 of these large 22.6 ounce cans of cream of mushroom. We're gonna pour 48 ounces of beef stock in there too. Put about a little less than 1/4 of a cup of red wine vinegar. That may or may not be accurate. I just poured until my ancestors told me to stop. I put a couple bay leaves in there. Add a diced bell pepper to the crock pot. Add 1 diced onion. Added 3 spoonfuls of this chopped garlic. And I added a couple spoonfuls of this browning and seasoning sauce. Make sure you stir all that stuff up real good. I have several packs of oxtails. Let's clean these bad boys and get them seasoned. I got a couple of the oxtails here. I cleaned them and got as much of that fat off as I could, and now we're gonna season them. You can season this with whatever you want to season it with, but I just decided to get a little fun and just do some random shit. Okay, season your oxtails with whatever seasonings you prefer on beef. I did a mixture of like Italian seasoning, seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder. I did some ancho chili powder, some Slap Your Mama seasoning, ranch seasoning. Some people let their oxtails marinate overnight or for a couple of days, but I forgot that step, so we're just gonna roll with it and go ahead and put these suckers in the crock pot. All right, I got the lid on it. You can cook them on low for about 8 hours or on high for about maybe 6 to 8 hours. I have mine on high. And the point is you want these suckers to be falling off the bone. Please ignore my greasy crock pot and don't judge me. It's been used. That's all that matters. All right, they're done. I'm ready to go. Now I'm making a couple side dishes and I'm gonna put them on a plate. Got me some mashed potatoes and greens. And we're eating. And we're eating good. Nothing to heal your soul better than soul food.